bamboo rafts, a wide ride, and a huge surprise. We are going downstream on the Mae Wang River in Chiang Mai, right here on Rafting. Tim, you left the best seat for us, yeah? 好了，
我们准备出发呢。
我们坐的是商务舱，知道吧？
商务舱，
看到商务舱没有？
商务舱，来上车。
Good day, welcome back to Rafting. This is a Thai adventure series, second episode. I've been doing a little bit of hiking, but today I'm trying to do something different with my friend Pim, who is a local guide, tour operator, very experienced, and she's local. Today we're doing something a little bit different from hiking from last episode. What are we gonna do?
Today we're gonna have some fun with our bamboo rafting. It's the best tourist attraction here in Mae Wang area as well. Before, villagers will travel on the raft to see neighbors, to go to the restaurant, to the market. And today, as you see, they are only bamboo stack tied together, not waterproof. We get ourselves wet today. Yay!
Let's go! Thailand is well known among tourists for its pulsating nightlife and pristine beaches. But it also has some hidden gems for those looking to explore the outdoors. In this series, we travel to the land of smells to do just that. From hiking, bamboo rafting, to mountain biking, trail running, to kayaking, and diving. In this second episode, I've taken a 50-kilometer taxi ride out of downtown Chiang Mai into Mae Wang. That's known for the Mae Wang National Park and also its namesake river, the Mae Wang River that cuts through the park.
Sometimes on the raft they hit the rock. Be careful.
We play safe, yeah? Pima and I, we sit. Look at these two. I have to take them with me. They are my little tails. Wherever I go for adventure. Remember them from last episode? They follow me too. Say hi, guys. Hello. That's Fuzhou and Jiaju. They won the latest edition of Thailand by UTMB trail running race. We met them earlier during our hiking adventure in Chiang Mai. Follow the link in the description below to watch the full episode. This is total relaxing, much easier than yesterday of the steep climbing, but enjoy a bit of water, the river, and Pim is happy. Bamboo rafting on the Mae Wang River is one of the most popular activities around Chiang Mai area. You can easily find tour operators in the city or online. The full package costs between $90 and $120 per person, including the transportation, snacks, bamboo rafting, meal and tips. The 10-kilometer rafting journey can take 2 hours to 0 hours, depending on the water level and how many breaks you take.
Guys, today is the lucky day. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is the best experience ever. You go on the bamboo rafting? Look at what you see. Amazing, truly amazing. As you steer your way down the Mae Wang River, look out for elephants along the shore. We could spot one elephant. As we moved down, Jiaju tried his hand at steering the raft. I guess if I did that, we'll be in the water.
You flip everybody down the river.
Oh my god.
I don't want to laugh. Stop it. You stop it.
They were talking about how skillful they are. I just saw Jiaju flew into the water. Hopefully they're not injured though, but looks like so much fun.
拍下来没？我全程
我刚准，我看你拍下了，你没事哈？ They're crazy. They're crazy. But now we changed the boatman. We changed. Look, we changed. Along the river, there are many stores and restaurants for you to buy snacks or drinks. In the peak season, you can find hundreds of tourists hanging out there. Oh, like a Cayenne. It's nice, yeah? As we came up to a rapid, our boatman lost the bamboo paddle. Luckily, the other boatman spotted that and picked it up. Well done, well done! Woohoo! We passed by a swing hanging over the water. The girls surely had some fun before we reached the end of our journey. Well, team, that was really epic, really epic. Thank you for bringing us here.
Yay! Now, can you tell me how do you feel after we finished the whole trip along the river?
Well, to me, it's a surprise to see that elephant, and also the river was so nice, so quiet. We can hear everything. What about you guys?
The elephant is very big, so very cool.
今天的天气非常好，而且太幸运了，看到大象了。然后我还体验了一把划竹筏，也看到了家居落水，也太兴奋了。
So much stuff going on, but come back and watch again next episode because we're gonna go up to the Chiang Mai mountain and do some mountain biking. Now it's time to say goodbye for this one. My name is Jack.
My name is Pim.
My name is 家具。
My name is 副总。
Bye bye.